The bowling team is sparing no time rolling into the new season.
So we practice 3 times a week. We usually start with what's called no steps. So we'll stand right at the line and we'll do our swing and throw. It's to help with our timing and such. Then we go to 1 steps and then we go to full approach and then we work on our spares.
How I practice is I listen to the coach. Basically, the structure is he shows us how to do it and we just listen. Bowling is scored basically on an average of how your team does each frame.
You have first 3 games of individual. When you have individual, you have that score, and eventually throughout that score throughout the year, and you get to districts, you qualify for state by yourself. It all comes down to pinfall.
I like being part of the bowling team because I get to interact with people that I've possibly never met before or really know. I get to do things that I enjoy.
I like just being able to talk to people because I'm a very talkative person. I've always bowled my whole life. That's what I enjoy doing. So I like coming to practices and going to competitions. It's a difficult sport. Most people say all you gotta do is roll a ball down yeah, you have to show the ball, but it comes down to minor little things consistently.
I'm most excited for actually competing because last year we only had 4 girls.
They actually split it into classes, so we have Class A and Class B this year. We'll be doing Class B, and last year we competed through all classes, through Class A, Class B, and we got 2nd in state.
My goals are hopefully to make it to state again like I did last year and to get more used to my new ball and everything.
My goals are probably to have a higher average than I usually do for high school, just get as far as we can in state like we did last year.
Good luck to the bowling team on having another successful season.